Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. My apologies for that. Working on a bunch of different things, but let's get on with some more unboxings. Picked up a ton of Macross stuff recently over the summer because it was now finally available. So we're going to do a little inbox review on the YF-21, the Advanced Variable Fighter from Macross Plus. As you can see, it comes in quite a large box for this scale. This is 72nd. So let's open it up and have a look. I've opened it up, but I haven't opened the bags yet. So we'll go through it all together. So we'll just quickly show you the box art. Very nice box art there. You've got the standard showing what the kit looks like. Kind of reminds me of a YF-23. So again, we're either going to do a what-if scheme or something else kind of fun. We'll see what happens. So, standard box art. Cool little diorama possibility there with them working on the aircraft. And yeah, that's the other side. So as I said, 1/72 scale. A lot of plastic. It's a big aircraft. So let's unpack everything, and we'll start with the decals and the instructions, just so we can put them away in the box. So, decals, normal, high quality Macross decals from Hasegawa. Bunch of different schemes available, including looks like a low vis scheme. Lots of numbers. You can number it however you want. So those look very nice. Not sure what we'll use from that yet when I get around to building it, but we'll see. Okay, the instructions. Usual Hasegawa fold-out instructions here, including sprue locations right here, showing what goes where on the sprues, numbering. Looks like sprues A through K from the looks of it. Standard assembly, Mr. Color callouts. When I do build this, I'm gonna take it a little bit more carefully. There's cases where you shouldn't strictly follow the instructions, or you'll paint yourself into a corner. This one looks potentially a little bit easier than some of the Valkyrie kits, but we'll see. Again, some of the notes are in Japanese, but again, with Google Translate or something like that, you'll be able to translate it. Backside, including a Macross display stamp. And then we've got the masking and painting scheme. This looks like it almost could be actual size, so you could probably make a copy of this looking at it. Maybe not. Close. But anyway, there's the masking and painting, a lot of decal options. So that looks quite good. So that's the instructions. Put those away. We'll break out the hobby knife and we'll go through some of the stuff. So, clear parts are packed in their own bag. So let's get that open. Like so. Get that off. I will have a canopy mask from our friends at Return to Kit Form. There's the canopy. Looks very nice. Some other clear bits, I assume formation lights and other such things. Mainly the canopy. Very unusual shape. With that one little bit protrusion above there. That's the canopy and that's the clear parts. We'll just put those back. Okay, now onto the bag with everything else. Quite a bright color blue. Keeping in tradition for some modelers who wouldn't want to paint it, which is fine. It would be a very attractive looking in this color. Let's have a look here. Okay, it looks like that's most of them out. Okay, lots of goodies here. Lots of sprues, so we'll just go through them one at a time. Looks like one of the fuselage sections. Very large, like I say, very large kit for 72nd scale. You don't realize, again, reminds me of the YF-23. I'm sure there's some history there. I wouldn't be surprised, one way or the other. Other fuselage sections, including the pilot figure and the cockpit. Intakes from the looks of it. There's your pilot figure. And get that into focus in the seat. A few other goodies there. That is sprue K. And then the other part of the fuselage, like some engine ports, etc. Very nice casting, of course. Never complain about Hasegawa plastic, at least myself. Okay, on to wings, some canards, etc. Notice a little fold there on the center line. Tough to see, I know, but you get the idea. There we go. And very nice looking. Injector pin marks all seem to be internal. Not much sanding there. Okay, onto the fuselage front end. We'll start with the side there. And then I'll move it to the top view. And then we've got the landing gear bay there, looks like. Cockpit tub. Some detailing possibilities there. Nose wheel, gears. Moving along, we've got the other part of the fuselage, lower part, right here. Looks very nice. Finely recessed panel line. Very nice indeed. Another close to that. And then last but not least, the other section of for wings, etc. Inlets and all the various pumps and things like that on it. So a very nice looking kit. I think this will be a fun one to build up. Not sure if it's going to be fairly soon in the queue. But yeah, so that is the YF-21 Advanced Variable Fighter from Macross Plus, 1994, but this is a reissue celebrating the 40th anniversary of the IP for that. So yeah, looks like it's going to be a fun kit. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. You can always check out more pictures at blackfire.ca. And of course, you know, we have this little podcast. We run the Scale Model Podcast at scalemodelpodcast.com. Your support's always appreciated. Thank you. Happy modeling and be well.